And that's it. Now, I didn't add any liquid to this. This was straight ice, just strictly for this video. And I wanted to show you guys how well this actually chops up the ice. So it's almost like snow. So I mean, the chops are real nice. I put no liquid in this. This was just straight ice. And you can kind of see it turned it into pretty much like a slushy with no liquid at it. So I definitely recommend this margarita maker, especially for the summer months all year round. But we definitely take advantage of ours, and we really like it, and definitely recommend this margarita maker. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment.